Good morning! Welcome back to day 18 in our online reading tutorials for children. I'm Teacher Len. Lessons for today: learn the letter sounds of V and W. Read words with short vowel U and I sounds. So are you ready, kids? Okay. So let's review. Read the words with short vowel U sounds. Remember that letter U is a vowel letter. And the sound is Okay, so let's read. Give the sound first. S, n, sun. Again. S, n, sun. Next. T, b, tub. T, b, tub. B, d, bud. B, d, bud. T, hut. T, hut. Now it's your turn. Sound it first. Begin. Next. 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 Okay, good job. Okay, next, read the words with short vowel I sounds. Remember that letter I is a vowel letter. The sound is I. I. Let's read. Give the sound first. I, t, mit. Again. I, t, mit. Next. I, p, hip. I, p, hip. D, I, g, dig. D, I, g, dig. R, I, b, rib. R, I, b, rib. Now it's your turn. Read. Give the sound first. Begin. Next. 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 Good job. Our new letter is letter V. Letter V sound as V. V. Again. V. Here are the words that begin with the sound V. Let's read. V, violin. V, van. V, volcano. V, vest. It's your turn. Give the sound first. Begin. That's wonderful. Next letter is W. W. The sound is W. W. Repeat. W. Let's read the words that begin with the sound W. Ready? Begin. W. Watermelon. W. Whale. W. Walrus. W. Web. W. Watch. It's your turn. Give the sound first. Begin. Good job. So letter V sound as V and W, W. Again, repeat. V, W. Don't forget the sounds. Let's do this activity. Give the beginning sound of each picture, then name it. So let's give the sound first and then name the picture. Ready? V, violin. W, whale. V, van. V, volcano. W, watermelon. V, vest. W, walrus. W, web. W, wand. Now it's your turn. Give the sound first and name the picture. Ready, begin. That's great! Great work, kids! Let's read together again tomorrow.